Hello fans, welcome to yet another video. In this video today, I'm going to be looking at two predictions from two lottery system and two lotto games. So stick around with me as I take you through the predictions. If you're new to the channel, do well to subscribe or follow us on our Facebook page so you get to know when our videos are dropping. That being said, let's now quickly move on to the first forecast for today, which is on the midweek lotto. Okay, today, Wednesday, 1st February 2023. Now, if you take a look at your screen, you'll find out that we have the past three results on the midweek lotto, and we are going to be using this for our trace. Now, the tracing event we have is between the Premier Bingo against the midweek. We are going to use this event to find an intersection between these two lottery systems, therefore helping us to get potential winning numbers that we will be able to stake today. Now, looking at our predictions, you will find out that we have movement of numbers from the bingo lotto into the midweek. Now, the first instance was 61.9, the second instance 78.42, the third instance was 77.2. So we are hopeful that this trend will certainly continue just one more time, and if this does, it means that 30, 21, 53, 20 and 27 is a potential winning numbers for us to stake on. So therefore, we are going to be staking on 21, 30 as our two share, and our permutation will be 30, 21, 53, 20, 27. So now let's quickly move on to the next forecast, and that is on the Premier Lottery Tuesday, 1st February 2023. Now, the last three lottery draws on the Lucky Lotto was event 181 all through to event 1820, and we are going to use this as our tracing event. Okay, so our tracing event is from the Premier Lotto against the Premier Lotto. So this has actually gotten its intersection in itself. So and this tends to be quite quite have the ability to give us more accurate interception. So if you look at our predictions, you'll find out that 2778 actually move on from itself, from its lottery system in event draw 1048 into the present lottery 3 weeks ago. That's 7827. Then we have 4481 and 71 single four. So if this trend is to continue just one more time, it simply means that 49, 77, 24, 78, 16 is a good permutation to stake on, and we have choose to show as 1649. So if you think these predictions are okay, do well to stake on them wisely, and I wish you good luck. I'll see you in the next video. Stay cool and good luck.